Orofo Memo Kwaba, Kahuse latest and hot news. Eramede, bro, and unti so we subscribe to channel idea, Bomodian say over subscribe to channel. Now, while like video, don't give us a thumbs up, Nafi. Share to all platforms, say the Ato Forson, Ebenyebi Ashe, and one who and somewhere Koso, Ghana Memoanum. Professor from Boakye who says someone can fire MPP4 who are just MPP4 Bufu when the Cocoa Paya just one mini Kutukum, one General Secretary, JFK, Justin Kudia Fripon, Eddie Krata Beto Bontia, 1%, one Pamano, every party, acquired Sembibre. Now, no, Solomon Wusu, United Party, Cadeno MPP to him, whom Sembibre, Emma, Wadan Sembibre, Eddie FIA MPP4, whom there no Dr. Zaato, Ekushia, way TB3, and Yasem Ketua, we can away acquired Sembibre. Now, in Tentamara, Yamko, Solomon Wusu, Akachi, Yamkuti, and Kumoa, a course or honum. Where here, the Akoso.
No, speak the truth. We are there now. You are the director of elections. Speak the truth.
So the final announcement is 41, right?
Okay, so you have heard this computer.
Okay. I said 38 before the 9 consequences. Can you allow your co-panelists to also talk? Now, Solomon, the way the situation is, I mean, you have known the in-out of the MPP. You've been from the foundational, is it local? Okay, South, etc. And so you're a breakaway UP.
We are the United Party.
So your formation, you were formed out of the rips of the MPP. Exactly. So you know the ins and outs. Now, if you take a look at what is happening, what you used to know as a young MPP politician and member, how would you agree or disagree with Professor Frimpong Boateng when he says that the individuals managing the party now, the composition of the party, the fiber, moral fiber of the party, is not reflective of what the original founders of the party and how the party grew up to the time he thought the party had disintegrated or gone away from its own core beliefs?
First of all, let me put it this way, that the General Secretary that issued the statement, Professor Frimpong Boateng, has more integrity than him. He knows next to nothing about the party. And that...
Justin Frimpong, he's a lawyer.
He doesn't know anything about it. I mean, the very statement he issued must be the reason they must even fire him. Because he doesn't even understand the constitution of the MPP. In the MPP's constitution, you don't just get up and say you refer somebody to the National Executive Committee. Every disciplinary measure, it has to go through a disciplinary committee. So his reference should have been with the disciplinary committee rather than the National Executive Committee. You are
according to the constitution of the MPP.
Absolutely.
You should have referred that letter
to the disciplinary committee, so that is where natural justice will take place. Professor Frimpong Boateng must be heard. And where is he going to be heard? At the National Executive Committee? No, he goes to the disciplinary committee, he is heard, and the disciplinary committee will make a recommendation to the National Executive Committee. And believe you me, where he has submitted Professor Frimpong Boateng to, the National Executive Committee consists of regional, as part of membership, regional executive committees. So what Justin Kodia is saying is that he is going to subject Professor Frimpong Boateng to the likes of Abronye to be vetting or seen to the expulsion of Professor Frimpong Boateng, because Professor Frimpong Boateng has said that the party is fake.
But Abronye is rightfully a regional.
But if there is anybody who should be expelled between Professor Frimpong Boateng and Abronye, who should go first?
I don't know.
Between him and Wuntumi, and mind you, Wuntumi will also be part of this committee. Between him and Buga, who should go first?
Is Buga part of the...
He's part of the national... Now we are here this morning being told by Zaato that all the vituperations by Professor Frimpong Boateng has to do with the vice president, the former vice president.
He hasn't said that.
That is why he brought in the idea of the Muslims and the Northerner, that he's a Muslim, he's a Northerner. That's fine. He will get there. And so the former vice president also sit at neck. So it's more or less cooking Professor Frimpong Boateng before his enemies.
He's been cooked?
Absolutely.
Oh.
But you see, how many times haven't I come here and told you that this political party called the NPP is not a new patriotic party. It is the Nana People's Party. And that was what Professor Frimpong Boateng was making reference to. I kept telling him.
No,
he argued with me.
Oh.
He argued with me one time on key point, and I was laughing.
But Nana Akufo Addo, the former president, when he was president, gave him a position as
Exactly.
It doesn't
give
matter.
Annan to the position.
Let me tell you something.
So they are another boys.
Today, don't take it easy because we have a long way to go in Jerusalem.
Exactly.
The truth of the matter is that he says parties evolve. Yes, evolve to become better.
Yes.
Parties do not evolve to become worse. What did Professor Bawumia say? He said the party is fake because throughout his life as a member of this party, there has never been a time that you do, what do you call it, flag bearership election top down.
It's not true. It has happened before.
Which
in
year?
the party.
Which year?
It has happened
Which year?
in the NDC.
Which year?
It has happened
Which
before
year?
in the MPP.
Which year? No. Which year? Which year? No, which year? Which year? No, which year?
It has happened.
No, which year?
If you are saying
no, you were putting somebody a while ago. You were putting somebody on the street. Give me the date. Give me the date.
It has happened after the 1992 election.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It has never happened in the history of the NDC.
He says it has happened.
It has never happened.
I'm saying it has happened.
You see, I don't blame you because you see,
you hold a position.
The lives of Zaato and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, they had never been part of this party from its inception.
No, please.
They joined along the way. That's a wrong description. At the age of 29 years, but I'm telling him in the face. At the age of 29 years, in 1992, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia was 29 years. The party MPP was there. He was eligible to join the party. He never joined the party. He only joined the party in 2008.
It doesn't matter.
And even with that, he had to be convinced with the position of the running mate. That is how Kabi became a member. So he has no appreciation of the history of the party.
No, but it doesn't matter.
Professor Fripo, what we are talking about, has contested as a flag bearer of the party on 2 occasions.
And what happened?
It doesn't matter.
It does.
He contested in 2007 and he contested in 2010. So nobody can sit here and belittle the intelligence of Professor Fripo. He mentioned 3 or 4 things. The things that he made reference to, that the party has a lot of people who are corrupt. Is it wrong?
I don't understand.
He said one of the reasons that he thinks that the party is fake is that it has a lot of corrupt people who went into government. Is it wrong? Currently, what are we saying about the former finance minister? Is he not refusing to come back to Ghana because of corruption allegations?
But they are allegations.
Look at what happened at the National Service. Look at the whole. How can Professor Fripo want to look at this and say this is not a good party? Remember when he was even in government, he wrote, a report, and then fingered a lot of MPP members in there who were so corrupt, who were destroying the environment. So the man started saying this, not today. But how did he say that is different from what the likes of Boakye Agyarko said? Remember on the 27th of September 2023, 2 days after we had left the MPP, and joined and formed the movement for change, Boakye Agyarko came out and said that they are even lucky Mr. Kyeremanteng, Honorable Kyeremanteng, has penned down his reasons for leaving the MPP, and that there were so many of the MPP people who had left the MPP in their hearts and were ready to walk away from the party during voting in the election 2024. Wasn't that what happened? The MPP that is there now, their membership will not transcend beyond the 200,000 people who are going to vote on the 31st of December, January 2026. No,
but they are core sympathizers as well as people who vote for them.
The core sympathizers are only 206,000. That's the delegates. Those that are going to receive
freebies. They are members.
No, they are the delegates. They don't have any other member. Who is that member? And that is what Professor Fripo was referring you to, the virtual members. The virtual members, he is referring to them as virtual members because he knows that the United Party is on the verge of receiving its final certificate. And the moment we receive our final certificate, the virtual members will all come to us and join the party, and join the United Party. Remember, what were the reasons ascribed by Adenimo before leaving the race? What Adenimo said, how different is it from what Professor Bawumia said? Adenimo said that the top-down approach was bogus. It was just there to favor one candidate.
The party as fake.
It's fake.
That they have virtual
grouping. How can you have a party? The virtual grouping are there. You people.
But Adenimo didn't say.
No, but Adenimo said that the party.
Even Eugene, is it Eugene Entry or something? I'm
even surprised that Eugene Entry is still with this party. A fine brain. They started speaking their minds during the days that we were speaking our minds. He has been up, and if you have people like Gyamfi in the political party, and they are not general secretaries, and you have Jesse Kodria, what sort of party is this? A general secretary who himself doesn't even understand his own constitution he operates with.
But he's the general secretary.
What is the meaning of general secretary? General secretary in opposition. He led the party to suffer the heaviest defeat in their lives, together with the flag bearer that they are talking about. So, Professor Bawumia has been consistent, and he has been consistent with the lives of Dr. Nyahunya Otawaklo, what Alan Chemanteng left the party with, left because of the reasons that he cited, what Kennedy, Kennedy has been saying all these years, and so on and so forth. Professor Dr. Ba, and all those people have cited the same reasons as Abakuba, as Professor Bawumia has stated, and none of them were hauled before any disciplinary committee or given this treatment. But because Professor Bawumia speaks the truth directly, he doesn't mince words. You understand? They feel that they have to go after him. But if anybody cares to know within the MPP, in the same way there are few people that want to attack Professor Bawumia, I want to assure them that just like some of us went to his aid when he decided to finger all those that were involved in galamsey, we are ready to defend Professor Bawumia because he's a member waiting. He is waiting to join the United Party anytime soon as a virtual party member.
He hasn't said he.
No, but definitely if he continues to be with this fake party, how can he be with this fake party? In any case, he said he has walked away from this fake party, so there is nothing to even discuss.
But he still insists that he cannot be sacked from the party. So it means that he still wants to...
No, he cannot be sacked from the original MPP.
Roland, today we've just something. The deputy director...
So do you think this is the right way to treat Professor Bawumia? And how do you think, the way you envisage, based on your knowledge into politics, etc., this is going to end?
Thank you. I'm happy that this morning that we have confirmed from the Deputy Director of Elections of the NDC that His Excellency about Mahamadu Bawumia got 41% in the last elections. And that any other thing said that is a big lie. And I am happy that he got the 41%. Because today, if you see the number of saboteurs in the NPP, the number of lions in sheep clothing, the number of people who were sabotaging his campaign within his government, there is a miracle that he got the 41%.
Whose government?
Again, if you see the number of saboteurs,
I think it's
the number of saboteurs who
Remember they have said that he is a mate.
The number of saboteurs who were in the MPP and the number of them who worked diligently to oppose and prevent His Excellency Bawumia becoming president. Despite all that opposition, he still got 41%. It is a miracle. Despite all of that, more than 4 million Ghanaians stood up all over this country and voted for him. It's a miracle he got a number. And it shows what could have happened would have happened if he didn't have such powerful forces.
You haven't answered my question. My question is, do you think that the treatment that he's going through is fair? And how do you think that's going to end?
Secondly, I think that as a man, you should put your resources or integrity where your mouth is. Why should you belong to a fake organization? Walk away. If you do not walk away, then you are also fake. If you remain in a fake organization, you are also fake. So my point is that, look, to show your personal integrity, you walk away. And that's why I started by saying that no matter what I respect Solomon, he walked away. He walked away because he thought the organization was fake. Come January 31st, more than 200,000 patriots all over this country, those that have been ascribed as being fake by whosoever, those, they are going to reject the tribal bigotry. They are going to reject the race, the religious bigotry. They are going to go.
But that is not fair to him. But that is not fair. You are discussing for
I did not say he did. They are going to stop. It's not fair to him. I didn't also say he did.
That's what you are saying. Why are you running away?
I didn't say he did.
You are running away.
I didn't say
he said you should do tribal politics and religious politics.
Let's do it. Country. Come January 31st, over 200,000 patriots all over this country are going to go out to the polling station. They will overwhelmingly endorse His Excellency Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. I didn't say that.
That's what you said. He never mentioned tribe.
I did not say he did. We can play back the tape.
Yes.
But who are you discussing?
Can I make my point? I'm just saying. More than 200,000 patriots all over the country will go out to the polls January 31st.
Yes.
They will elect a competent, compassionate, exceptional and a generational brain to the party. They will give the mandate to His Excellency Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. because they will reward him for his consistency, they will reward him for his brains, they will reward him for his compassion. And when they give the party to him, the party will be healed. And he will lead this party to elections, and Ghana will become a strong, prosperous, and enviable country under his leadership. That is what will happen. And anybody that thinks that you are in the wrong party, I think you have opportunities. That's why there are options. And I'm happy Solomon said it, that look, there are options. And even the Social Democrats are there. You can go and join them. But you see, every political party is...
So what are you saying? To hell with anyone who doesn't...
I didn't say that. Every political party is...
With everything, you haven't said it this morning.
If I've said it to every political party is vulnerable at this time. If you choose the time that a political party, your political party is very vulnerable to come out and subject it to suggestion, then you are being disingenuous. At the vulnerability of your party, that is when the party needs your support. That's when the party needs your help. If you choose the point that I am very vulnerable to now pile on me, then you have never been a friend all through. You've never been a patriot all through.
We thank you.
All right. So now, what do you think needs to be done to both sides? Or perhaps how should this approach be? Rather more reconciliatory to bring more members in or not? Knowing that just some few months ago they were...
Well, I think that, you see, they have to...
They were issuing an amnesty letter, etc.
No, they need to approach the... You see, and they've gone back. They wrote an amnesty letter and they are now going back, threatening people. But I'm happy in a way the virtual members are quiet. You see, they are just watching them. The virtual members are watching them and seeing the distraction they are giving to their own party. And that is not good enough. You see, they have to approach it with some reconciliation. They shouldn't be, the hawks in the MPP need to tone down. I mean, we've seen it. And look, NDC we suffered similar things.
The chicken will never take the advice from the hawk.
Oh.
No. The sheep will never take advice from the fox.
So
no.
You don't want me to speak.
But you don't want to...
You see, why? You see, Dr. Zaato, I am helping you people because your party is going down with 38%. 38% is not a good thing
tell that lie
for people.
Don't tell that lie.
To bring you to power.
Tell that.
And I'm saying that.
Look, wait, 38%.
We agreed yes, 41%. Okay, please go ahead.
Hey, you are helping Dr. Zaato.
No, it's not helping. You are lying.
You see, what they need to do as of now is to make sure that they bring back their old guards. Listen to them. Because even President Akufo himself is not happy with what is going on in the party. You remember his statement? Mantiasi. He recently made a statement. President Akufo. Mantiasi.
Mantiasi. Okay.
You remember that thing?
The interview.
The interview. It was loaded. He said a lot of things in that interview. You see, how can a former president, somebody who ruled the country,
PDS and so on,
and the cathedral and all one of things that they did. And so if a leader like that, and I'm sure because he's a former president, these people who have written a letter to him that will sack you in the party. They would have dared him with another letter. And that meeting that they will go and sit and organize themselves, they don't even invite him. That is what the problem we have currently. And I'm saying that don't make NDC a one political party state in Ghana. And that is what you people are doing. And we are saying that if you do that, thankfully enough, we have UP coming up. And it's an offshoot of the former UGCCC that ended up with the first UP tradition, which you claim to be in your constitution, your party constitution, which is making reference to that UP tradition. But now you don't leave it. Dr. Zaato, you know it. You don't leave that UP tradition that everybody used to know. The current UP, the new one, is coming up. And I can see it through them. The leadership, the way they handle themselves, if you look at their coordination, it will tell you that the brain behind Buzia Dankwa tradition is living through the UP people. And I'm sure the virtual people should consider that aspect. Consider the UP people and stop this current MPP. It doesn't. It doesn't.
What should be the approach? Beyond this approach, what do you think should be the right approach in your perspective?
No, but the only approach is that a lot of the very serious minds in the party must run away from the party and join the United Party. Because the reality of the day...
That's your best option?
No, current situation with the MPP is that someone who was duly elected as the national chairman, he has left the party. He has run away. So the party has no substantive national chairman. And the reason why they had to force Bute to come back, because Bute had also said after the elections that he didn't see the need to continue as the first vice chair. But guess what? If Bute had left the scene, the one who would be chairing the new patriotic party today would have been Chairman Buga. Can you imagine?
Why?
The national chairman of the new patriotic party, Chairman Buga. Hey!
How is that your
And
problem?
these are some of the issues that Professor Bawumia feels that it has made the party fake. And now coming back to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, that he claims that he has all the brains. As we speak, his own brother-in-law, Adamu Ramadan, does not even believe that he's a competent person. And it's the reason why...
Adamu Ramadan is a member of the NDC.
But between you and I, and anybody in the MPP, should...
his father-in-law was a PSC
in an unlikely event that Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia becomes the president of this country, between you and Adamu Ramadan, who will benefit?
When you there,
he does not even believe in the law. He knows that the in-law has no
so you're deviating from my question.
He has no clue.
Don't be like Dr. Zaato. Ask his own questions to answer.
As someone against his brother-in-law.
All right. Okay, gentlemen.
In fact, don't go there. Don't go there. Let me clear.
They never did that.
Bawumia someone was contesting to win the seat for the new patriotic party. Guess what? They were giving resources to his brother as against Bawumia someone.
Oh, he didn't. Both he and his wife didn't campaign for him.
How would they have campaigned for him? How would they have campaigned for him?
They did not campaign for him.
Bawumia someone himself is a colossus when it comes to identity politics. What are you talking about?
All right, it's okay. Let's not get to it.
Really?
So,
you understand?
Do you think the treatment is right? So what should be done?
What should be done to Professor Bawumia? I have said that for Professor Bawumia.
Should break away and come to you.
He is welcome to the United Party. Indeed, I would be very surprised that you continue to associate himself with a group of people who are just bent the way they are destroying the party very fast. I'm very surprised. Sometimes if you want to destroy an entity, you do it gradually.
Okay.
These people are just fast-tracking everything. So from here, they will be moving to the Nyahotama Close, at Kennedy's, Amwaku Bans. We are welcoming all of them. In fact,
the General Secretary said, as for Nyaho 2016, his membership was revoked. That's what.
Say the General Secretary.
Yes.
The General Secretary who doesn't respect the laws of the party. Was it not the same General Secretary that signed that they should be they had granted everybody amnesty,
including you?
Oh, me, as for that, they say forfeiture. We must apply and then come and attend an interview before they look into a matter.
So you want a party? You fail the interview.
Thank you, gentlemen.
As a statement, a free or General Secretary or Abban when you be a kind.
Well, me Akufo Addo say statement be from General Secretary, but General Secretary me share no crowd that me share no da me ne kasa da. But what I'm saying is I'm just waiting for official communications from them.
Yeah, because I say in the statement, I say Obe refer to NEC. And the NEC would have to take a decision on you, but when invoking the constitutional provision for expelling a party member from the party into was started to move a UF free party, but was a NEC it may approve our decision. No.
Okay. I'm just I mean, so a lawyer also here. I don't know when he completed law school, maybe a lawyer or teacher, real school. No. Now, for this man to say, Ubia Bomipa and America the Americano, I am very sad. I've been very consistent. Sir, Omopa, a dear man on the party, for the years, over the years, But then you know about one thing, I've been very consistent, very concerned. So, party and Kofa Brahon, so what I'm saying is that faction, General Secretary, that's a fake thing. Now they should quit. And then the real party will stand.
Yeah, but you are still repeating claims, secretary issues? Because when you say party,
I don't care what they do. I mean, look, he is fake because the only faker. How say Obia program from 9 to 10 p.m. Almost 6. Now we see NEC share I issue statement to start somebody from the party. They can go ahead.
No,
I'll not even respond.
That be one kasa NEC share or no as general secretary. And the way invoke provisions in the party constitution say or refer to NEC.
Look, he's not a mature general secretary. How can you a program that ends at 10 p.m. and then before morning, you know, you issue a statement? They can issue any statement that they want. I will not miss them, you know. Obi.
I
don't care what they do. Look, they are destroying the party, and somebody must stand up for that.
Okay, what have they done to destroy the party in this uncommon? And then they destroy the party now.
Look at all the things. Look at how we lost the election. You didn't go there. So, abuse of power, corruption, arrogance, and the party could not stand up to anybody. I'm a party now, teacher Pansampe. Most around here, you will be free. So hell with them.
Yeah, Prof. Nyabutre, but don't you think you are confusing government with the party? The government had a head of that executive.
The party brought the government. So if the government is going astray, the party can make a stand, can take a stand. And say, we are going to say, also the party didn't do anything like that. So what is the party there for?
No, but you were in this country when the general secretary did interview, said there should be reshuffle. They called on the president to reshuffle his administration. What else could they have done?
I mean, you can't reshuffle concept. Look, there were so many things. What country I say? We need a PCC country.
Yes.
We lost these elections, and obviously, say the party, one more party in the executive, they were supporting one person. They were supporting him. Some people were the blue white in Jomosa and Omotomano, the blue white Yabrabo, they say, and Yamanko, and you lose the lesson at all. Instead of coming out, move a chair report, no be at Candy, no be at Najaba, Yana, and whom quite a fast bit may win election if you know. Look at that, and I must say, yes, I'm going to say you. And yet,
yeah, but why are you then saying, sir? Omo e chinchim nkofo nsa no mo da so chinchim nkofo nsa ye nenso
wo mo da so chinchim nkofo nsa
ana say na de mu ni tumi mu bio
wo mo nya kra I mean there has been allegations even the electoral register kra no there are irregularities. I mean people are still not happy with them.
Yeah, but
also mo hwe ni yeah wo mo to expel me from the party me who me. I don't care. I will not miss them at all. And they are the fake ones. Almost free party no. Almost free executive no. And then the party will start.
Prof Nyabutre, don't you think, sir, the party you are still a member of, no, to call that party fake? Not just say you've crossed.
No, we don't.
Okay, and the church
the MPP am name no. Any the MPP am name no. Say by your elections are. Yes, study free polling station. Near constituency. Near region. Near the national. Na mo madana adena sinsiase FM am be fresh bear and sana ya be di aka so it's wrong
and no na ma fake no.
Yeah, that's not how the true MPP behave. So and you come you lawyer for paying for a person so listen now we know impo don't put him for sabi obey general secretary no so sapa a branch no what you name a year such a way say paying for na na ebunu na mutiti ho na mafama e de ma tita pansam you can some mu yanka no ka say you be suspend or be start for the party who can do that.
Meaning, sir, from the kind here, you are ready to leave the party anytime, any day.
No, I'm not leaving the party. They should leave the party. They are the fake ones. They should go away, and the true party will stand.
Hey, it is a neck to suffer.
I'll not go there. Because someone who is that? I'll not go there at all. Waste my time.
NEC, a National Executive Committee of the party.
No, but that is a fake. This NEC.
Bawumia was a NEC, no former president, any former vice president in Aka on there.
Oh, I mean, NEC no executive committee no.
No yeah, I'm only a steering committee, but NEC the president and vice president in Aka.
Former president, you only former president. What I'm saying is that the party as this now, no. So what can be also count on my party and say until everybody should quit. No more free or not party no. A mountain maba one more said one more party who do organ who don't about you say and MPP net.
I have heard
somebody to say MPP not say yes and it. Somebody who next say I said how much you only had papa be any other papa be and to say or be about the parliament yes I know to divert attention to other issues. That person must be mad.
Semper FM.
Hey, Prof. But I've heard the current national organizer say omo ema party ni lusu ye pa no. Oka ho because o write up ya we on galamsey no. Udi group party ni aban ni ma se poto. Ujitum.
There be me tum. I want to say encourage me be make who lawyer for uncle get your margin and get into this. What's the mature report? Said yes, you call galamsey. I need a way forward. And me try make no kwan na me kai and man take on to bobia we try no kwan na me bra mo say mo hwem 2 years 3 months obi aka ho we ko be say dey no leaky here e leaky na say ya lusu party ya lusu election I was me na me try you know I mean say organizer no hwe here or lawyer on could defend nko for one more asemo national for example
our court you mean
yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah.
God bless no more. National Service Secretary.
National Service honor. That on the assembly and in who see how.
The be American. So when you know your lawyer know what me customer. Uncle Bwani no more no. When you say now you film.
Hey. Prof, ain't he for now, not just say the who can meaning say January 31st presidential primaries no wono you are part of those party members I'm free say the NIPA or Democrat election the last time there was say mudi ni sin chain baby for NIPA for from
okay media and you me wono na kan the fiber no na kan
okay then
sabi say nothing be nothing president Mahamadu Bawumia where president not to kwa a bad deal said another note na bit na be dinner there or no na kan ye na me kan
and wono o je saade ni di
me did say me obi asem na kan na me ko tu no
and based on that you feel say was a party for no edi ni sin chain no mu yi nipa fofo
me see and kebabo party no if you say any my lose election no we did not process those issues. Think about in a community to Bia and Nadia by and I say you be defended Bawumia yes packaging here, not just again for Musa, Muka, way, Yanu, say that like you here. Fine, but Amanisa, Muka and Yamaso, a party headquarters now extension of the campaign office. You know, they're all supporting him. Regional professional support no. Musi Mianka. I some da Musi Mianka.
Into one Kasana the why na wo support no.
We support the true MPP.
Which of the candidates represents the true MPP?
I don't support any candidate. Any other candidate on you know. Yeah, on the team that let us down. One can or more can say 3 or 4 can.
Oh, okay.
Because
anybody but Bawumia.
Because I'm not processed Bawumia Uluso no. Say mo dia big jana ke nyina adwene ho ne aka se say ne say ye say de meko bi one say ne o say ye nyina support wanya sa wo be say nyina say be Ghana for yankasafo we can say Ghana for say wo me Argentina Ethiopia MPP for Ghanaians have reasons why they did that. So we have to respect or see ya ji omo respect omo na ade ha wo no ye si ano asana akon akwanim na ye sa
na oka say omode atudwa are you saying say Michael Kwe report no anka party ne mfa report nyina metudwa sa na woka
ye fa atudwa ye nyina hu
No, but which political party does that? Party be anyhow, yes, I don't know.
Party party are led by people who are concerned. Party,
but which precedents now be to my society? Because say report neba, it is handed over to the National Council, and then they peruse it and take decisions.
Okay, and you when you koto maba, the National Council now be here, we peruse no here, and you koto maba. Now 2020 you do you be
Professor Kwabena Agyapong, as we speak, we are still a member of the NPP.
Me a member of the true NPP, not the fake one. Mahamadu Bawumia, one person, and you will need a nam kwan to be no. And then we come home. What you say?
In the true NPP, nene wayamo.
Who you free why they can you too. What was that? The fake ones, what money? I just said, and look, some of them, no, move to one, sir, a crown ambassador, their personal young Passoa. Woman, yet maybe I am free party headquarters or pledge myself, could view chambers or whatever it is. What could my lawyer, Papa Bediatuo, but woman, a hawk, and I said, woman, so they are afraid of for their position.
Into fake for any of the current national executives.
Any woman going to say woman, be world radios now. They are the fake ones. Party.
Oh, okay. Ain't it saying and a bass next year, said the general secretary, has a neck, Bishiano. Omusiana neck, Jitum say, Professor Frimpong Boatin, you were free party in my obey day.
No, they cannot murder, they cannot sack me from the party because the party is not theirs. And I don't recognize them as a true MPP.
Now, Prof, what's the man who can do? Now, send you now, Obama party now ungovernable. No,
because it's annoying for a general secretary, young man, Misha, who can say, said will be a bumper, say behind this for bumper, make it can be to divert attention. We are lawyers so.
I honor Nama Obuefu Kakrano.
Oh, yes, Nuboku.
Professor Frimpong Boatin. Wow. But some of the issues are not over. Don't you think say issues are being a leading member of the party and can be me a cano kukwemu than how I be a walk out there.
What can I say?
And some bit my can kukwemu. And there's a woton suffer general secretary so person in the meeting or beba.
Maybe to Mr. I check maybe a chairman. Maybe it's a genetic, you know, me shall that. You say, my real chronic with Jab and Jamie who's the winning. So I don't know him. Maybe not. So, be sending message, so genetic social. I mean, so I'm ready. I'm the time and I go to by lesson or Kumo and Efa. My two blanket, and I'm some maybe try. So.
Wow. Ain't he from how I knew my yes.
I'm so concerned. You know, said yes, on the party, no, I'm so my brother from party. Look, when we had by-elections, or they saying, and they shot 4 people. Don't come in your in China. I had to carry these children in the truck to Yendi hospital to operate on them. So,
yes.
Kumipelko, tell my book and create you I stood there taking care of them. Well, even from 1977 or 78, when I was a young medical officer in Kumasi, yeah, FIFA, any Bedema, any Lekuva Dukano Kaho, Bakiri demonstration be against Unigov. It's a 2-ball and for MOB the bomb, Bedema Masom, Muja Tunugun and the chatting in Emu. I'm teaching many Dr. For something, any teaching or emergency hall.
Okay.
You start getting my attention. Let me try and photo now. Let me try and photo. I still have the photo, you know, and all these struggles, all these years. That's the moment I'm at the party so for a few years. But someone say, now look at them and say, you are going to discipline me because I'm saying the truth. They can't go to hell.
Prof, ye beda se na fe bibia ni a ye be san so aba bedi enkomo bio. Why?
All right. Okay.
Ye be san bedi enkomo bio. But say on the 31st, we be to aba ni bi, right?
So
we a former minister. Former minister, they based on the amendment on we no betima to aba ni bi.
Me go ahead register one
say within woman. Wow. And I would have said what cano it is any other person but Bawumia, right?
San Matano.
Na Bawumia say why you don't like him and answer then what's the problem?
I mean I get on so well with him when I was in government, you know. He's a very nice person. But you see, this is not about being nice. It's about the party and Ghana. Even though not so much the party. Ghana, we are not in a very good place. So we have to build this nation.
And you think Bawumia cannot lead rebuilding of this nation?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
No, why I say? I mean, I don't want to give reasons. What I'm saying is that, I mean, you cannot force somebody on us. And he's not a very special person there with special knowledge and special skills. It's an insult.
Yeah, but in 2023, the allegation was the establishment was forcing him because the party was in power. And Muninamu opposition, why they're forcing why on why?
No, opposition, there are people who are the background that they are still working. So there are people who are still working. Those, go form young parties. So no, because I think the general secretary or say party so unya minister. My new minister, I came to serve. And if you go into my record as a minister and you see the president of even half of what I suggested that Ghana will not be this way, the way we are. Minister, I came to serve, work hard. And I'm still working hard.
And some have said, after first 4 years now, man say I'm minister in the second term, no, and I'll be full party, no. Since then,
we both full party, no, party mobile.
Oh,
yeah, because me catch look, you be catch me say, you be, was a professor, well, free, I say no, Ukraine help you. No crasa. Because the president now, you know, I was telling him the truth. Me, church, Mama Pesca, I just came to serve, to do the right thing. You know, not what is soft. But idea when she say, oh, and yet,
Yo, what for winning and somewhere about to dry Solomon Owusu United Party, Kanino MPP, a year and somewhere also Professor Frimpong Boateng and Justin Kodia Hun Sensemi, then no, and a Solomon Owusu, a reactia, wada and Sem Dudu Nara Eddie. Because so we don't subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, but subscribe to channel now, or like a video, don't give us a thumbs up. Nafi, share to all platforms, said there, Ato Forson, Ebenyebi, Appiana, one who ends somewhere, Ekoso, Ewo, Ghana, Memohanum. Also, bet me, Archer, Wadring, a fire, and some way now, Ewo comment, boxing mo. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.